Hi, my name's Abby. Welcome to Quick Make Lunches on Cooking with Abby. For today's episode, we're making a chicken tender wrap. These are homemade chicken tenders. Visit cookingwithabby.com for the video and the recipe details. Let's get started with our lunch. Like we did on one of our other lunches, we're going to start with some cantaloupe. You know the drill. Cut it in half, take out the seeds. Yes, all of them. Cut the melon in slices. Trim off the skin like my crazy dad. And then cut it into bite-sized pieces. And we liked grapes so much the last time, we're gonna pair it with it again. Now for some veggies. We'll start with a yellow pepper this time, some baby carrots, and some cherry tomatoes. For another sweet side, some fruit cocktail, and remember, buy in bulk and transfer to smaller containers. It's environmentally friendly. For another side, we'll add some crackers, and of course you could add cheese to this if you wanted as well. Now on to the star of the show, our wrap. We're gonna add a little bit of pre-made barbecue sauce, but of course you can serve this with anything you'd like. Spread the barbecue sauce around for even coverage. Add your chicken tenders. We didn't put anything else in ours, but of course you can add some cheese, lettuce, peppers, anything you'd like. Once you're done with all your toppings, roll it up, and we cut ours in half so it fits in our Tupperware, but still on diagonal. And there you go, the final of our 5-part lunch series. Time to pack up. Oh wait, let's add a granola bar to this one too. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the whole series at cookingwithabby.com, where you'll find these recipes and many more.